Good late morning, everyone. February 20th, 2024. I am back. We are in the market actively, and we have some good action this morning, some good signals that have panned out. We have gotten in a couple swing trades for the week that I'm going to go over here. We have a lot of other things we are looking at. As I was looking at yesterday, we talked about ROKU yesterday. That was a big short that we picked up this morning. It's going to continue. These are swing plays that I am in this week. So Pacific Biosciences, all of these stocks that I have listed here. So we have DoorDash, ROKU, Pacific Biosciences, and Bloom Energy are all coming off of tough earnings calls next week. Some of them did okay on earnings, and some of the guidance was poor. But all of these stocks have taken a pretty large hit coming out of these earnings, and they are all showing aggressive downward signals. Now, again, on the long term, this may be buying opportunities. So, a lot of you guys might, depending on your trading style, this might be a buying a dip opportunity. But certainly in the next week or two, these stocks are going to continue to get beat up based on the signals that I'm getting from them. These signals are very accurate. As far as volume and volatility is concerned, and buying pressure and options activity is all kind of mixed together. So these are positions I am taking. So let's start off with DoorDash. DoorDash got destroyed on earnings in around the 125 range, took immediate hit back into the teens, which is where we are now. We're approaching the 111, 110 range. It has already gone down as far as 110.50. I do believe it's going to close probably close to 109. I think between 105 and 108 is our price target for ROKU this week. So that's where we're going to be looking, most likely probably that 108 range, probably going to be strong for me to start trimming. DoorDash, or I'm sorry, I completely got that was DoorDash 108. ROKU, I think we're going to see low to mid 60s. So we're looking at the 62.50 to 64 range on ROKU. Again, we've hit a bottom of 66 today. We're hovering in the 67 range as we speak. But this one is going to continue downward pressure as the day progresses. And then Pacific Biosciences, another one. Again, you're going to see pops in these because they will get bought up on these dips, but there is still downward pressure and sell-offs here that are happening, that are continuing to happen for the week. So short term, these are puts, these are sells, and on long-term plays, I would start looking at it as a buying opportunity for potential move upwards. But again, these stocks are fresh out of some poor earnings, some rough earnings calls. So I would expect these to continue to move to the downside. So that's what we are keeping our eye on this week so far. We have a couple others that we're looking at as far as drops are concerned. Apple and Google are both on downturns, and the gold ETF, which is one I talk about frequently. I'm going to do something on the gold ETF later on. That's one that we're looking at to go long on short term and long term. So that's where we are today. So good luck. But this is where we are. This is where I am with my funds. As far as swing plays for the week, I am short ROKU. I am short DoorDash, and I am short on Pacific Biosciences and Bloom Energy. So leave comments. Any questions, leave in the comments. Be happy to help you guys out. Good luck trading, everybody. And remember, only risk what you can afford to lose. Take care.